What's up, traders, and welcome back. So in this video, I want to see how many questions I can answer in the least amount of time. So prepare to get that question goodie bag filled. Anyway, Webull is coming out with a crypto trading platform, or an option, I guess you could say. And it's kind of big news, and it's probably going to put their competitor Robinhood for a run of their money, because a lot of people are liking the Webull platform much more than the Robinhood platform. Also, I think traditional exchanges like Coinbase or Binance are actually going to get a little bit of a run for their money as well, and we'll talk about that a little bit more. So let's walk through all the major needs to know and then wrap up by placing a trade near the end of this video. Also, quick little side note, guys, if this is only for if you want to speculate, not if you want to, move your crypto and use an app like CryptoKitties, or if you want to send your crypto to a freelancer that lives in a country that doesn't accept PayPal or something like that. So remember, you cannot withdraw your crypto from this app at this current time. Also, Webull told me that they are planning to launch later this month. Right now it is November. There's no specific date that they were able to tell me. Just know that, later this month it's going to be available for everyone. And also, there's only mobile crypto trading. So right now it's only on the mobile app, not the desktop app, not the web version. So keep that in mind as well. Right now this is in beta version. It's not open to the public. Only invited users can apply. But that said, we'll talk about how to go ahead and apply. And actually, we'll just do that now. So this is my little demo account here. I kind of play around with for show and tell and whatnot. So if you are on this page, your overall account page, and you go to more, you can see this kind of crypto trading tab here. And if you click on that, wait for it to load here a second. So if you click on this and then you apply, wow, this is taking forever to load. Okay, learn about crypto trading. There's some trading rules, and then there's some disclosures here. We'll actually talk about the Apex crypto exchange as well, because this is what's how Webull is doing their crypto trading. So they're going through a Apex crypto exchange. We'll talk about that in a second. So we are enrolled. We already applied. It was very, very simple. Didn't really have to fill out too much. And I think if you guys have an active account and you're good standing, you should be good to go. So very quickly here, let's go to the trading rules, talk about a few little things here. Hopefully this actually loads again. Okay, so very quickly, some important facts here. We provide our customers with access to cryptocurrency trading through the Apex crypto exchange. I want to kind of go here talk about this exchange a little bit as well. Apex Crypto is not a registered broker-dealer and a FINRA member, and your cryptocurrency holdings are not insured. That typical bank, $250,000 are insured, right? But if we just go here to the Apex Crypto Exchange, there's actually a couple. I had to really siphon through to find the correct website, and then I asked support just to make sure. So thanks, support, for getting back to me with the proper exchange. There's not a lot this website really kind of talks about, so I had to kind of do a little bit more digging myself. And quick little synopsis here that I was able to find online is this brokerage was founded in 2012, and they're actually based in Dallas, Texas. And they have offices in New York City, Chicago, Portland, Oregon. But again, they are not a registered member of the, or your deposits are not insured. Sorry about that, I got that mixed up. They are registered with the SEC. They are a member of FINRA. So it's a very credible exchange. They've been around for quite some time, and they provide a lot of backends for exchanges. So this is a reputable source. Not to mention, they already have over 5 million current account holders. So this is a very, very big exchange here. I just wanted to kind of let you guys know about that. So that's, a big thing I wanted to check out right away. That's a big check mark in my book. There's a few other important things here. So support of currencies. Right now, it looks like it's Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Litecoin. There's a few more on the page. I'm not sure if those are fully added just yet. There's a lot changing here, but right now the big names are kind of added, but I'm sure they're going to be listing a lot more soon. Also, it looks like the crypto trading is notorious for 24/7 trading. It's traded more than 4x. So this is the same situation here. It's traded around the clock, but there is one period of time where it becomes unavailable. It's from 5:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. I think ET stands for Eastern Standard Time. I usually put EST, but ET, there we go. So That's important. The fees are free. This is huge. And right now with Coinbase, I mean, I have so many videos on crypto trading and swing trading investing, and I'm always complaining about the fees. So if you guys, like I said in the beginning of this video, if you're not, sending your crypto, you're not super concerned about holding your own crypto, or if you're not, needing to withdraw your Ethereum to use apps like CryptoKitty, then if you're just speculating or investing long term and you don't want to hold your own private keys, then this is really a good option because it's free, because those other exchanges like Coinbase are very, very expensive, just insane. The one thing I do kind of point out here as well is the order types. This is actually something I found interesting. You can't do good till cancel. So you can't put a limit order out for, let's say, I want to buy Bitcoin at $10,000, and then you just leave it there for the next month, right? All orders cancel end of day. It's immediate or cancel IOC. So just keep that in mind. You can place limit orders though, so that's important. Yeah, I think you have to be able to place limit orders. Otherwise, I would not even really want to be reviewing this app. But overall, I really, really like that. Also, go to note that you cannot use margin. This is not a marginable account, which is kind of good because for trading on Webull, that means there's no pattern day trader rule. So you can, just like on Coinbase, you can be trading in and out of positions, unlike with stocks where if your account is under $25,000, you are not going to be able to do that. So this is really, really nice. You could just be day trading on this small account. There is so the fees here are, like I said, they're non-existent, but there is a little bit of a spread reduction. So let me see if I can see this in here. I was doing some research on this before. Time of force, good till cancel, order limitations, buying power, sentiment, no. So Webull does not charge for trading crypto. There is a 100 basis point spread on either side of the crypto trade. So there might be some where you're typically getting those 8 decimal places. That might be reduced a little bit. So keep an eye out for that. We'll do a little bit of testing here near the end of this video. Let's see if there's anything else I wanted to mention. No, I think that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and do a little bit of a test trade here and see how it works. So let's go out of here. And again, remember I clicked on the crypto trading, and let's go back here. And if you click on this market tab down here, you can see Bitcoin, for example. So let's click on that. And actually, these are all the other ones. And let's see if we could actually even trade these yet. Doesn't look like this is actually ready yet to trade. So yeah, let's go back to Bitcoin here. And then here on Bitcoin, you can see this trade buttons on the bottom left. So that was not on these other ones, for example, VET. So looks like some of these are still getting added. You'll notice Litecoin has that trade button as well. So just keep that in mind. Right off the bat, and I've already told Webull about this, hopefully they maybe consider giving the option to trade this, is these kind of bubbles that are floating here at the bottom. Although they look really cool, any trader or investor is going to look at that and be like, where's my volume? I'd rather see volume there as opposed to, cool graphics. But, I guess it looks nice, but hopefully they do get an option to kind of change that out. Here's some news, some comments from the community, and then obviously the profile. Usually company profile is always very interesting, but with cryptocurrency, it just is a little snippet about the, not company, but the currency, right? So let's go ahead and place a little trade here. I think there's, again, there should be some settled cash in this account. So you can go ahead and play here with the slider. What I've actually noticed here that is a little bit confusing is this slider is never exactly where the price is. So right now the slider is at 16,892. I find that actually a little bit weird. The price you can see at the top here is 16,720. So let's go ahead and move that to, let's say 20, a little bit maybe below it. See if we can lowball here a little bit. Slider, well, it's kind of, since it's such a big number, it's kind of hard to get exactly where you want, but you could always type it in manually, right? Amount in Bitcoin, what I do like is this kind of, this quick bar right here. So estimated in USD, you can see at that bottom right where it kind of goes up. So let's go ahead and just buy like $50 worth. Time of force, like I said, there's no good till cancel, there's just day. And remember that ends at, what was that, like 5 something or whatnot? 5:30 to 6:30 is when there's maintenance. So that's when all your orders will get kind of canceled for the day. So let's see if this gets triggered. It probably won't. Let's see, let's actually move it a little bit closer here to 30 or actually 25. Now the price is swinging over where it doesn't really matter, but this is Yeah, let's see if we can get it as close as possible. So 725, pretty close. I like to actually leave the order confirmation on Webull and when I'm trading with phones, because I feel like there's, I don't know, I like trading on the desktop much more. So when I'm with a phone, I want to make sure every step is looking good. Anyway, this looks good. So let's go ahead and confirm this order and see what happens. So you can see the order is here. Nothing is filled yet, probably because the price has yet to go below it. But eventually it should be getting filled. I don't believe I have any positions of this, no. So this could obviously take a little bit. It wasn't a market order. What we could do to show you guys what it looks like is if we go ahead and make it a market order, we can kind of show you guys as well here. How much can I buy? Let's see if this, oh, here we go, the slider. Let's go back to 50%. That's 20 bucks. Let's go back to day. And then we'll go ahead and click buy. Let's see what happens here. This should go, now get filled instantly. Let's click buy. Should be, of course, time enforced market should be. Okay, that actually makes sense. I'm not sure why they don't just automatically do it. I'm not sure why they even allow me to put day. That totally makes sense though, because market orders aren't just going to be sitting there, right? They're going to be placed right away. So totally makes sense. I'm not sure why that's not automated, because there's no alternative, right? Let's go ahead and press confirm here. This should go through right away. So let's see how long this takes. Oh, order filled. Wow, that actually happened really fast. So here's my second order, not filled yet. And then my positions, I now have some Bitcoin. Let's actually look at this. You can see here, I have that, what is this? Oh yeah, I did a little bit of test. Was that yesterday or something like that? And then I sold it again. And then, you know, today's the 17th. So this is the order that went out. Can I see actually my, open orders here? What does this button do at the top, right? Bitcoin. Okay, so it doesn't show my current working orders. It looks like you can see that I have a buy, the button, sell, close, quotes, and yeah, that's more or less it. Okay, so if you guys have any questions, I would love to hear them. If you guys want me to dive into any detail a little bit more, I would love to do that for you guys. So don't forget to drop a question below. Don't forget to drop a like, guys, if you enjoy the content. If you're totally new here, consider subscribing. We go live to trade the market every single day at 9. Well, every day the market's open starting at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'll see you guys next time. Like always, stay safe and make some awesome trades. Ciao, ciao, guys.